Ever had a dream so vivid it felt real? Well, Google SGE, or Search and Generate Engine, introduces a new AI image generator that makes fantasy a reality without the fluff. Bid farewell to the days of endless scrolling in search of the perfect image, as Google SGE joins forces with Bard to introduce a game-changing feature that's akin to having a personal artist right within your search bar. With just a few keystrokes, you're no longer merely searching for images, you're crafting them. Simply input your vision and voila, it materializes on your screen as if plucked straight from your imagination. This isn't just your run-of-the-mill search experience. It's the ingenious fusion of Google's SGE and your creative desires. Whether your fancy leans towards artistic depictions or breathtaking landscapes, it's all within your grasp. The real magic lies in the intricate details. Describe your concept, and the wizardry behind the scenes, powered by Imagine, takes the reins. It comprehends your desires, whether it's a corn-made cobra or a cityscape drenched in the hues of a sunset. Here's the kicker. It's not limited to English alone. Over 100 languages are welcome to this creative soiree. So whether you're narrating your dream scenario in German, Mandarin, or any language under the sun, SGE effortlessly accommodates your vision. Yet, it's not solely about the cool factor. It's about demolishing the barriers between your imagination and the world. No more settling for what's readily available. Instead, bring into existence what should be. This is the new paradigm of search and visualization. A seamless, potent, and utterly enchanting way to breathe life into your ideas. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty. Imagine is the marvel in Google's toolkit, a technological prodigy dedicated to translating your words into precisely tailored images. It's not just smart, it's exceptionally savvy and has learned from the best. Google's very own LaMDA, a multilingual conversationalist, proficient in over 100 languages. As you put your vision into words, Imagine becomes the friend who not only comprehends, but also delivers flawlessly. It goes beyond image creation. It's about capturing every nuance and setting the right vibes. Fancy a square image or a portrait that resembles an oil-painted masterpiece? Imagine's got you covered without breaking a sweat. Then comes LaMDA, the linguistic expert transformed into an AI companion. LaMDA ensures Imagine delivers beyond the surface of your words, truly grasping the essence of your vision. This dynamic duo is like peanut butter and jelly, a perfect combination. And if you desire alterations, it couldn't be easier. A few extra words, a tweak in your description, and voila, a brand new image materializes. Exactly as you envisioned it. Blue snake instead of green, winter scene replacing a sunny farm. Simply relay your thoughts to Imagine. This is a game changer because it elevates you from a mere image searcher to an image creator, all on the fly. It's not an exclusive art form. It's as simple as conversing with your friend. That's the power of Imagine and LaMDA. Technology that's not only impressive, but astonishingly user-friendly. Within the realm of AI image generators, SGE emerges as the new maestro on the block, armed with remarkable capabilities. It's akin to having a conversation with a painter who's up for any artistic challenge. Let's delve into the competition. Microsoft's Bing image creator, like an accommodating friend, makes things incredibly straightforward. Midjourney stands tall as the heavyweight, ensuring top-tier quality. Crayon serves as your go-to option for quick, cost-free solutions, while Night Cafe adds a touch of fun by synchronizing your images to music. dall-e, a wise sage, can navigate the most intricate prompts. Each of these tools possesses its unique strengths. However, SGE has the distinctive touch of Google magic. It's not waiting in your browser, it's seamlessly integrated into your search experience. Since you're already here, why not create while you browse? The mastermind behind this innovation? Imagine. It's not just another AI, it's a multilingual maestro of image generation, adept at interpreting languages from all corners of the globe. Moreover, it has access to a vast pool of online knowledge, making it more than a picture generator, it's a storyteller. But here's the twist. With SGE, it's not only about crafting beautiful images, it's about crafting with purpose. Google ensures that this incredible power is wielded responsibly. No funny business with creating faces or any questionable content. It's all about maintaining integrity and adhering to the highest standards. So, while the AI image generator landscape might resemble a superhero ensemble with each member possessing unique abilities, SGE stands out distinctly. It's all about simplifying complexity and turning the impossible into reality, right where you conduct your searches. When it comes to the realm of AI image creation, Google's SGE is the new kid on the block who quickly becomes everyone's best buddy. It boasts a range of distinctive features that make it stand out. To begin with, it's seamlessly integrated integrated into the Google search experience. No detours, no need for new apps. Simply type your desired search query, and you're instantly transformed into an artist. Then there's Imagine, Google's AI virtuoso that brings your words to life in the form of stunning visuals. It's like a melting pot of diverse images and languages from around the world, ensuring it understands your subtle whispers or your wildest ideas. Furthermore, it collaborates with Bard, Google's conversational AI, creating a formidable duo for all your creative tasks. But wait, there are a few ground rules. Google has established boundaries with SGE. Firstly, it's still in the early stages, so hiccups are to be expected. The AI is learning as it goes. Additionally, there are restrictions on generating faces or content that could potentially cause harm or discomfort. Google takes a resolute stance on safety and respect. Moreover, Google ensures transparency regarding AI-generated images by providing labels and displaying the text used to create them, ensuring clarity and accountability. That wraps up our exploration of SGE, Google's innovative venture into the world of creative AI. It introduces a fresh dimension to image searching and generation, all while adhering to a set of important guidelines. But what do you think of this innovation from Google? Let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get the latest updates, and I'll catch you in the next one.